Shipping correctly is so important. There's nothing worse than getting a package and finding the item you bought is just tossed in a bag, or worse, it's not even your item. Streamlining your shipping process is more than just organizing your shipping area. That's a great first step, but you also have to make sure your process is smooth and error-free. Speaking of closing the sale, when it comes to your sales, don't neglect the finale, folks. Yes, I am talking about shipping. The last step in the resale process. Make shipping an important step in your sales process by wowing your customer with speed, presentation, communication, and of course, that one last chance to promote yourself. So let's go over a few best practices to make your shipping system smooth sailing. We talked about organizing your shipping space earlier. Have a nice, spacious area to ship and all of your shipping tools organized nearby. Make sure you check your shipping tool inventory frequently. Save money by buying tape, thank you notes, tissue, or clear wrapping packages in bulk. Part of saving money by buying in bulk is staying on top of your inventory. Are you running low on tape? Time to order some more. Try to avoid running to the drugstore to buy an overpriced roll of tape. Always keep an eye on that bottom line. Definitely invest in thank you notes, whether it's a handwritten note or a pre-printed promotion that reminds people to come back soon. A thank you note is essential to a successful shipment for Poshmark. People that frequently shop on Poshmark expect thank yous, so don't be the one seller that doesn't thank them. Poshmark buyers are used to getting little gifts with their purchase. Try to buy something small but useful at the dollar store or in bulk, like a nice smelling soap or candle or lip balm. You can also use items that aren't selling that match the item they purchased. A rescue box on ThredUp of scarves is only $16 for 25 scarves. Scarves are a great gift in the wintertime. Cheap sunglasses or sample sunblock are great gifts in the summer. Your gift may be something you find at a thrift shop too. I found a bulk bag of facial samples and used them for several months as my gifts. So it varies, but try always to include something. It's a nice touch. Tissue paper, or a nice plastic bag that says thank you, is great for wrapping your item. You may even use curling ribbon or burlap rope to make it even fancier. Make sure you have plenty of priority mail envelopes, Tyvek packages, and boxes at the ready. They are free and available at every post office. You can also order them direct in bulk right to your door from USPS.com. They have more shapes and sizes than the post office has in stock. So if you ship larger items naturally or very small items, it might be a good idea to get the priority mailbox that fits it perfectly by ordering them online. Try never to run out of ink in your printer. It's also way cheaper to order printer cartridges online versus running to the local office store and buying them full price in a panic. Make sure your printer works and is ready to go whenever it's time to ship. So basically, whatever your wrapping choices, make sure you have it all in stock and ready to go on shipping day. There's nothing worse than getting halfway through shipping and realizing you're missing a key element. You never want to drop everything to go buy tape. Finally, make sure you don't just say thank you in your package message to your buyer. Tell them to come back soon. Definitely include your closet name so they know where to come back soon, and maybe include even a little coupon code or discount for a return visit. There's really nothing better than a repeat customer in your closet. It's proof positive you are doing something right.